Have you ever been in a business networking event and someone handed over their business card, but it just looked like everybody else's? You probably were not impressed, you threw it away. Who knows what had happened? Breaking news, this probably happens to the people that you give your business card to. So I am going to change that because in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a unique business card that stands out, that has its own unique QR code that sends people to your website, your link in bio, your promotional video, whatever you are trying to sell on social media. And we're going to learn all of this in Canva. We can continue. I'd love to know, do you have a business card, or what is something that you like or dislike on other people's business cards? Comment below so we can help improve ours and learn from one another. We're going to go in Canva, create a design, and look for business card template, and we're going to select one of the templates. For this example, we chose black and red abstract because it's more relatable to our branding colors. So we are going to put the information about your company in the website so people see it. Then we're going to search for the word QR code, click use app, and place the link we want people to scan to. So if it's the website, the link in bio, the promotional video, pitch, whatever it might be. Then place it wherever we want in the card. I highly recommend for you to use the QR code in the front of the card, but you can place it in both. I mean, it doesn't really not help. But in this scenario, I'm actually going to show you guys how by including the picture on your card helps a lot. And why is that? Because think about all those networking events. You maybe collect a lot of business cards. You don't remember who's Marsilda, who's Expand to Market. So that picture profile will really help people relate that, oh my God, this is Marsilda. This is the person that I talked to and I want to connect. I would highly recommend you also add a little bit your social media icons and the text that, hey, there's a scan here that you can scan to do what? Like, what are people going to get by scanning your QR code? So usually what I do, I put my social media icons. So people, yes, they cannot click it because this is like an actual paper card, like a business card. But I put the text, scan to connect with us, or let's say contact us, wherever the call to action is that you're trying to pitch at that business. Let's say if you're offering a free demo, scan to book an appointment for a free demo, and whatever that might be. I would always recommend on the back of the card to add that so people know what actions to take. This will give people a chance to check your social media profiles, to check your website, or learn more about you, because there's so much time you have during the networking event. And once you finish your design in Canva, you're actually going to continue the steps forward to go ahead and print copies for your business cards. You can choose however the paper you like, the size and all of that. And it's actually pretty affordable. I think it cost me like around $8 for 100 copies, and it came in 7 days. So I highly recommend. Let me know if you try this. And please, if you have any questions on the entire tutorial or any other tutorial you would like us to make, comment below.